Guys, we're getting ready to make a chocolate cake. 4 eggs, not 5, just 4. And this chocolate cake is going to be made with half a cup of Bailey's chocolate. Half a cup of milk. So that'll be a whole cup. There's a teaspoon of vanilla in here and a little bit of espresso. Some olive oil for the oil. And we are making the Betty Crocker Delights Triple Chocolate Fudge Cake. And I already made, back here, the fudge frosting. So, yeah, stay tuned and we're going to make them in these little cuppies. And they're going to be so cute. And one of these is going to be like my little birthday cupcake. Stay tuned. Half a cup oil. My Bailey's cupcakes are over the top. Literally. Holy shoot. Oh my god, this looks so freaking good. Woohoo. Nicely baked. Very nice. Oh my god. This looks freaking amazing. 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 How am I going to put the frosting on there? I'm not cutting off those tops, that's for sure. Ooh, but we'll figure it out. Yummo. Isn't that beautiful?
Yep, keep going.
I'm gonna reach over there.
Go ahead.
This is a wobbly one.
I just changed my filter. I thought it was for in there forever. Boy.
Oh. Jesus, I forgot which one we're going to. That looks nice.